There we go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see behind me, I got the old Impala up on the lift. I'm hoping to finish this video out with Brendan, but he can't really do what I'm doing right now, so I'm going to get some exhaust built for this thing. Started doing some mock-up already. Got one welded together and then realized I was a dumb baby and put the muffler on the wrong side. So I'm going to get that flipped and hopefully get the driver's side put up and then do the passenger side, and we'll kind of just go from there. As you can see, put it on backwards. It's supposed to be flipped the opposite way because that's going to run into the drive shaft. For right now, we're just running stock manifolds and everything like that, but it will do the trick. I buy the mandrel bent exhaust pipe off of Amazon. It's like 160 bucks. Well worth the money. And I can get a whole exhaust done for way cheaper than any exhaust shop locally. It's like $700 to $1,200 for exhaust. And I can do my whole exhaust system for like $300. So stick around and we'll get this done. Well, guys, it got exhaust. Oh, and I bought a brand new ignition and tumbler. Still gotta do some work in here, like getting that back in. Ooh, that got really blurry. Guys, finally got Brendan back over here. Been working on the old Impala. Got a couple more updates. Same video, couple days later though. It has not been an easy task just because of work. I've been doing a lot of customers' cars, so we're having to juggle stuff a little bit. So I'll kind of just walk you through what we've all got done so far. What we've still got to do to make it to auto, which we got 2.5, 3 weeks?
Something like that.
Somewhere right around there. 2.5 to 3 weeks. I mean, not a lot of time. It's approaching very fast. So,
But we do what we can when we can.
we are going to just show you what we've got done, and we'll kind of go from there. So far, new bumper put on it. Trunk is finally open. We had to pull the lock. My buddy, Charles, who was supposed to be getting me the matching key for all of the locks, unfortunately lost the lock that I gave him, so I'm going to end up buying all new locks for the car.
Probably not a bad idea.
Huge update though. Huge update. Y'all ready for this? I took the wheels off my black truck. Oh yeah. Brendan, lower it down.
It sits so much nicer.
Yes, it does. So in this video, we are going to be getting the front bumper put on. Finish getting that rear bumper on. Getting the fuel tank in it. Oh, Brendan. Headlights. It pulls out, and then you barely push it back in.
Yeah, apparently I don't have the...
Right there you are.
Yes.
We got one bad bulb. I already diagnosed that. But we got headlights. Look at them wheels on this car. Oh, loving it. Little...
Our tail lights are not working again.
What?
Yep.
Yeah, you're right. They aren't.
Anything?
Nope.
I'm messing with the switch.
Okay, well, we got a new headlight switch. How about that? We'll just put the new headlight switch in it.
We haven't installed that yet.
And it might be because we don't have it bolted yet also.
Yeah.
It ain't grounding good.
You might not have a good enough ground. That could be the issue.
So, stick around. We'll have a few more minutes worth of video to show you guys in just a few minutes. Well, got the bumper on, got the front end kind of adjusted. Got to readjust the hood now though. We got a major gap now. I mean, that's a big gap. But man, those wheels changed the look of this car.
Big time.
Huge. Hey Brendan, kick on the lights really quick. Let's actually show them how they look now. Nice and bright.
Ta-da!
Put the new headlight switch in. Still got to fix that one headlight, but don't mess with...
Dimmer switch is a little crispy.
Yeah. So, with that being said, we got the gas tank in. Got to run some fuel lines. We've still replaced one brake line. Just a little stuff.
Don't sweat the petty stuff, and don't pet the sweaty stuff.
And just remember, till
Until
next
next
time,
time, don't forget to do a burnout.